Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report, sponsored by Delta.exchange. Today, I would say this is a disappointing close. And the GIFT Nifty was indicating 40-50 point higher opening, but markets did not move higher. So, on the contrary, the market has gone lower actually. And especially in the afternoon session, despite positive European markets and despite a positive US futures market, and our market fell, I think today we closed somewhere around the lowest point of the day. Reason number one is very, very simple, and people are nervous about the corporate results. So far, whatever the corporate results came, and nothing seems to be very good. Even yesterday, I thought Tech Mahindra results were good, but today the Tech Mahindra fell. And TCS has fallen to the swing low. The IT index is still not stabilizing and keeps falling. And the Angel one that came out with a bad result that has moved higher because this was already expected. But IT results seems to be much lower than the lower expectation already. People were not expecting any good results from IT, but still the results are even worse. So that's why, despite positive global cues and our market keeps falling, FIIs keep selling again. And I think today also FIIs have sold for about 3,700 crores, whereas the domestic institutions have bought for 2,800 crore. So that's about nearly 900 plus crore net selling. And in fact, the month to date, the FIIs have net sold 17,330 crore. So that's more than $2 billion. And this is a normal market. And there's no negative news, except the IT results were not good, but they are selling aggressively. And however, domestic institutions have bought for about 20,000 crore month to date. And they can afford to do it because monthly SIP is 27,000 crore. So they can actually buy even more. So clearly markets are very, very jittery about the corporate results. I think they have the reason for that. And today, after the market close, Axis Bank results came. I think the result doesn't seem to be good. Wipro result came, also doesn't seem to be good. So far, corporate results are, is quite disappointing. And in fact, after this Axis Bank results, Wipro results and Geo Finance results, and the GIFT Nifty is down by about 70-80 points. So today Nifty is already down by about 100 points. Then on top of which, GIFT Nifty falling another 70-80 point. That means tomorrow it's going to be gap down. So the big question is that whether the bulls will be able to defend 25,000. So maybe tomorrow if it goes to 25,000 and then there is some recovery, then okay, we can say that 25,000 has become a double bottom for the short term, but things are not really looking good. There should not be, so much of weakness. And Nifty hit high of 25,650, I think around there, came down to 25,000. And then now the recovery, more than 200 point recovery. So that recovery is also being sold into now. But surprisingly, the monthly options, 25,000 put option has the highest open interest. And so if that is broken, then the option sellers will have to run for cover, and that will bring the market further down. So easily Nifty can go to 24,800. So, but global cues continue to be good. Even today, retail sales data came from US, so that looks positive, and therefore the US futures are higher. Dow future is slightly lower, but Nasdaq and S&P 500 futures are higher. And moreover, Taiwan Semiconductor Company declared a very good results. So therefore, the demand for chips powered by AI, so it's looking very, very good. So we already discussed that NVIDIA is the best performer in US markets. NVIDIA has become #1 company in the world now. And after the Trump tariff, NVIDIA went to $95. From $95, it has come to $175, $170. It's almost double in a matter of few months, right? So, in a nutshell, global cues are good, but we have some local issues, and then all depends upon Reliance, HDFC Bank, and ICICI Bank results for the next week performance. So, otherwise, this negative bias will continue. So, today is a weekly expiry. It's over, so there's nothing much to discuss. We will discuss tomorrow morning with the global cues and other things. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.